Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Had a bit of luck here. I was looking at this pack of toy cars, £1.99. I thought, well, that's a bit too much. But I spotted that car there, which I'll tell you a bit more about in a minute. And I thought, at a push, I'd pay £1.99 for that. So I took it over to the counter and they said, oh, that's mispriced. That bag should only be 99 pence. So then I was happy, because £1.99 is a bit much just for that car, but 99 pence I thought I could live with. Right, what's special about that car? Well, it's one that goes with Magic Track. And I picked this kit up in the recycling centre, but it had no car in it, and it cost me about 20 pence. But without the car, it's a little bit, well, it's okay, I can use it with my flexi-track cars, but it's just a tiny bit narrower, so they have trouble going around corners. So when I spotted this, I thought, yeah, we'll see if we can get that working. So, I haven't taken it out of the bag yet, as you can tell, so I've no idea if it does actually work. The rest of them can go back to another charity shop. I'm really not interested in them. Okay, so he needs, looks like 3 AAA batteries in there. 3 AAA batteries. Pretty flashing lights. Huh. Well, that's good. How disappointing. I thought it was just the other cars I had that couldn't make it round this track. Well, it also sounds like gears slipping, so we might have to fix that. Oh, I'm really disappointed. Okay. Well, we'll do a tear down, we'll have a look, see if it's a broken gear or if it's just slipping. Okay, let's have a look inside. I'm quite disappointed now. I thought I'd got a real bargain getting it at 99p. If it doesn't work, then it's not a bargain, is it? Although we've still got an electric motor in there, so worst case scenario, we've got some bits that we can still use. Right, if I hold the wheels still, we can see the motor is turning and that gear is turning. And that gear is turning. So it looks like it's just the main gear is slipping on the axle. Okay, so how easy is that to get to? Screw there, screw there. So this is now a teardown video, isn't it? Another screw there. better. Oh, another screw under there. Right, so we can lift that off. Not to lose any of the gears. A bit of luck, that will lift off. Wiggle it underneath the wires. Right, that's what our problem is, that's just sliding. It's got a little knurled section there that should be gripping it, but it's just slipping over it. So, I guess we can try super glue. That's always my first option. That was a bit generous. Stop right in the right place. Alright, we'll see if that dries. While we're waiting for the super glue to dry, just have a look at that circuit board. Doesn't appear to be anything special on there, no black blob chip or anything, so I guess the flashing must be the LEDs themselves are flashing LEDs. Right, I'm pretty sure it was that under there. Yeah. That one. It's got to be that way round to make contact. Slipped. Motor sits there. Yeah. You've got to wiggle that over the top. Right, battery went just at the vital point. So we've got the plastic case back in. Two screws up. One. They are all the same size, which is handy. Just check. Yep, it's running. Where did those wires go? Oh, wait a minute. I got that wire in the wrong place again. I don't think it's supposed to go under there. I think it should have come out round the front. Alright, I'll take that apart again and reroute that bit of wire. Right, got the wire going round the right way now. Okay, that looks okay. Just watching the LEDs. I think they are, well, they must be just red-blue flashers that work independently. There's no other circuit driving them. Okay. So what's the chances of that super glue doing the job? Right, this is the Magitrack, and this is the original Flexi-Track. That's a lot happier now, isn't it? Yeah, it's escaped. Brilliant. That's one of the original Flexi-Track ones. So, now it works. Bit of super glue, back in business. And it escapes.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.